Have you ever wished you could hit the reset button after a tough fight with your child? Imagine if making peace could be as simple and magical as stepping into a cartoon world where forgiveness bridges any gap. Picture this: a small living room, two hearts apart, a parent and child both hurt, both wishing things were different. The air is thick with silence but also hope. What breaks the ice? Not words at first, but presence. You sit beside your child and offer a gentle smile. No blame, no lectures, just closeness. In the gentle language of cartoons, you might see worried brows soften and stubborn arms uncross. You quietly say, "I'm sorry for what happened. I love you, even when we're upset." These words, simple and true, move mountains in tiny hearts. Children don't need perfection. They need people who own up to mistakes. You share how you're feeling using words like, "I felt scared when we argued. I don't want us to feel that way." Then you listen. Even when your child's words are tangled, you're patient. You show you hear them and that their feelings matter. Now it's your time to rebuild trust, maybe with a gentle touch, a story, or just being silly together. Laughter heals. Cartoons remind us that even after wild chases, friends come back together, stronger than before. Making peace isn't about erasing conflict. It's about growing closer through it. Every time you reach out with honesty, you give your child the gift of knowing that love is bigger than any argument. It's living proof that in your house, even after a storm, sunshine is always just a heartfelt word away.